I'm Mark MP, and I'm in the South Jersey suburbs of Philadelphia on the hunt for some amazing pretzel hot dogs. We're all twisted up on this episode of I Never Sausage a Hot Dog. The original Mart Pretzel Bakery in Cinnaminson, New Jersey has been owned and operated by the same family since 1965. Let's check it out. Come on over here. I want you to tell me a little bit about these guys. What do we got going on?
All right,
so the pretzels are all yours, obviously.
So these are all Dietz Watson hot dogs, rolled in Mart Pretzel and baked to perfection. So we got Dietz Watson quarter-pound hot dogs, Dietz Watson quarter-pound hot sausage. These are our jalapeno cheddar dogs. And what's not pictured is our new Italian sausage that we just started selling. They've been a hit. People are loving them. We sold out of them. That's why.
So they're literally like off the shelf.
Yes.
We came like just a minute too late.
Yes.
All right, so hold on. You got hot dog, you got hot sausage, DS. What do you call these guys?
So we got our dizzle right here. And these are our sizzles.
I remember being a kid, my dad, he would take us over to the Dietz Watson factory right on Street Road in Philly. And we would go there and he would get like 2 boxes of these and 2 boxes of sausage for like all of our family events.
These are quarter-pound all beef hot dogs.
I would use this though right here. Use this piece.
All right.
Grab it, stretch it out a little bit. See what you got. Like if you hold the one end and just kind of spin the one side, it'll roll itself.
This is a dense dog. I'm really laying it
That's
on.
looking good.
Yeah? So what's the story behind the family business? How did this all get going?
So in 1965, Sandy's dad opened this business with his brother, and it's been family run ever since. So they ran it all the years, 70s, 80s, 90s, even the early 2000s. And in 2003, eminent domain kicked in, and they kicked out all the residents that were in the Pennsauken Mart, all the businesses. And the next year, the following year, we ended up coming over here, which is less than a mile down the road, and we've been here ever since.
So you're definitely like in the same area the whole time, and the Pennsauken Mart, when that closed down, you guys didn't have to go far.
Right, same area, same customers, same fan base. We're fortunate.
So in the question about pretzels and where to get them, Pennsylvania versus New Jersey, what's your take on this?
I'll be nice. Jersey's where you want to go for the pretzels. We don't use any additives, no preservatives, no BS. Hot pretzels all day. Baked fresh all day.
You heard it here, folks. Got to come to Jersey. One hot sizzle, please. That's hot. Sausage. This is a quarter-pound, all-beef Dietz Watson hot spicy sausage, wrapped in their famous homemade pretzel. But you got to do it with the spicy mustard. We're all twisted up on this episode. That was a pretzel place that does a good hot dog. Now we're gonna go to a hot dog place that does a good pretzel. I'm at the Hot Dog Shack in Rancocas Woods, New Jersey, where they serve up a mean hot dog in a pretzel-shaped bun. Let's check it out. Hi there.
Hi.
I'll have 1 hot dog and a pretzel bun, please.
Ready?
That's it.
Hot dog.
So here at the Hot Dog Shack in Rancocas Woods, they serve a 6-to-1 all beef Sabret's hot dog, but they nestle it in a pretzel bun, which is the reason why we're here. You can't get this anyplace else. The local Philadelphia Pretzel Factory over in Lumberton makes it for them. The owners are friends. To me, it's great to see a local business and a small family operating it and just working their local ties to serve something that you can't get anywhere else. It's a nice sturdy bun, holds up all of the toppings that they have available. Me, I'm a traditional guy. I like just a little mustard on my hot dog. After your hot dog, feel free to take a walk in the woods. Plenty of great shops here. Pennsylvania may be the pretzel capital of the world. It's hard to argue with that, but it's not hard to find a great pretzel on this side of the Delaware River. Here in New Jersey, this is what it's all about, pretzel dogs. Well, that's it for this episode of I Never Saw Such a Hot Dog. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Thanks.